Hey man, you want to see a difficult job um, installing a mini split in Florida, a Florida house that has 8 to 10 inch solid concrete walls. So in order to get the line set and the power cord through the wall, I'm having to use a hammer drill with a special diamond tip blade on the front here with a very long shaft to get through that approximately 12-inch wide wall that is mostly concrete filled, solid concrete, with a hammer drill by hand. And it takes a long time to drill through there, because as you can see, every time that depth builds up about halfway, I have to use a hammer and a chisel to chisel out the pieces of concrete as I'm going through. I'm not wearing a mask because of COVID, but because of the dust. And here's where the outside unit gets mounted right there. Originally I was going to mount it inside, but the problem is it exhales so much heat, and that's why this other mini split over here, I have a shield to help the hot air go out of the lanai to keep this area from getting overheated. This is really tough work, and I was going to be slick and drill test pilot holes to try to find some place where it's not solid, but this whole wall is solid concrete because of the hurricanes. This house is built like a fortress. It's bulletproof. We even have military grade polycarbonate window shutters to put up during hurricane season.